here is why Zway uses the process of a sales funnel. It is fact that the companies that perform best during difficult periods and downturns, such as the COVID crisis, use a sales and marketing process known as a marketing and sales funnel. David Claxton has written and published a book on how a marketing and sales funnel can create wealth, and you can download it here. Or by going to the Zway Online website, it is available in PDF, paperback, or audio versions. If somebody asked you what possession you find it hard to live without, you might say, my smartphone. That is because it, most likely, has your emails on it. So it should come as no surprise then that the ability to capture and harvest email information of contacts is vital to such a funnel. Once you have this information, you can nurture your prospect over the coming months and years through email communications. All of this can be tracked and recorded in Zway. People that unsubscribe from your campaigns will enable you to slowly strengthen and refine your funnel. Sooner or later, one of these contacts will make an inquiry about how your products can help them. Create a lead and start your sales funnel. See the accompanying sales funnel video to show you how. Zway Online Productivity includes a full marketing and sales funnel management tool. Get it now by going to the Zway Online website and starting a free trial. It's the best way to prove it will work for your company.